again. It is Tuesday and it's March 29th. And right now my mom is braiding my hair. She's gonna start soon. Now we're gonna go to, I think, a French bakery right now for breakfast. I don't actually know where we're going. But this is my outfit. Tank top is from Shein. Jeans are from Shein, and my necklaces are from Brandy Melville. Okay, as you can see, we're far away from the strip, but we're at this French bakery and cafe. We'll try it out. We got our breakfast. I got a banana crepe with Nutella. She got a, what did you get? He got a turkey panini, and then she got a croissant. And he got a cherry Danish, which he globbered up. And now he has crepes. And are they runny? Hey guys, so now we're at the Little White Chapel. It's like a wedding chapel. A little bit further out from the Las Vegas Strip, but it's still near. It's really famous. Apparently Britney Spears got married here, and so did Michael Jordan. And they're over there. As you can see, they're taking a picture. We don't know if we're gonna go to Grand Canyon now because it's not good weather. Yeah, that room, apparently that's where they got married in. Michael Jordan got married here, Britney Spears got married here. And then recent people, Joe Jonas and his wife got married here. And then also David Dobrik put this in his blog. And this is where he married Jason Nash's mom. It's just like, it's a famous chapel, but it's still really simple and cheap. But we are now at the Las Vegas North Premium Outlets, and I'm gonna go to the restrooms right now, but I just took medicine because I have a headache. And then the two stores I really want to go to is PacSun and then Lululemon. Can I hear a little commotion for the dress? A little bit?
Island gal, me a Trinaminican gal, bilingual, mash. Slay! Slay!
Red face shake. We're at Shake Shack. We arrived to the Sky Pod of Stratosphere, and we only paid $5 each because we're hotel guests of the Strat. And now we're gonna go up here. I have a really fun story to tell you guys. We're going into the escalator, and I was too scared to go. And when I was younger, I'd always hold my mom's hand to go into the escalator. And then she let go of me, and she wasn't like holding on to me on the escalator. So I just stayed down there, like on the bottom of the escalator, crying and sad because my mom ditched me.
Yeah, immediately no. Immediately no.
This is my outfit. It is from Shein. The company rented out Topgolf. We weren't able to even make a reservation. So now we are at, where are we? We're at Caesar's Palace. We parked here, and then we're gonna walk to Bellagio. We're gonna watch the fountains first at Bellagio, and then we're gonna go eat in the Bellagio. And then we're gonna go to the Mirage afterwards and watch their little like show that they do, I guess. What'd you guys think of the show?
Beautiful. Amazing.
What about you?
Nice.
What about, we walked across Caesar's Palace and we got to the Mirage, and now we're eating at this place, Mexican restaurant called El Diablo Cantina. It's right in front of the entrance of the Mirage, and we have chips and salsa right now, and then the trick is to get chips and guac, and then save the guac on your plate, and then add it to your entree, because none of the tacos here come with guac, because, you know, some restaurants, they be a little sneaky with that guac, you know, they don't want to give so much out, but I'm being smart right now, so I'm trying chips and salsa. The entree, I ordered the 3 carnitas tacos, and it comes with black beans and red rice.
get into it, yeah. And I said I just got a ball, get into it, yeah.
Oh my God, what is that?
Shut down due to inclement weather. Our normal show schedule will resume if conditions allow.
Or after my phone died, I got my food and it was a brownie and then hot chocolate. And now we're all headed up again to the top of the world of Stratosphere because we get in for free for the whole day. So, you know, we're really using it to our abilities. My outfit for the Stratosphere today is corset top from Urban Outfitters and pants from Shein and we're up at the top again at night though. Another morning. Today is March 30th and my new video just got uploaded today. Go check it out after this video. I'll leave a card right here and I'll link it down in the description. But now we are finally heading to Arizona. But first, we decided to do a little coffee stop. I have my mocha from Starbucks. I have a change of clothes just in case we do go to Topgolf right away. And I have my book that I'm bringing because we're going to be driving to Boulder City and all the way to the Grand Canyon on like the western side, which is closer to Las Vegas. So it should be around like a 3-hour drive or something. We stopped in Boulder City before heading to the Grand Canyon. And now we're gonna eat like a brunch. We're still in Nevada. And then after we eat our like brunch thing, we're gonna go to Hoover Dam and then we're gonna go to the Grand Canyon. Oh, and also I had to change it to a new top because my mocha was spilling everywhere and it spilled on my jacket. So yeah, this is the new tank top I got from PacSun earlier in Las Vegas. Hey guys, we're at this place that Guy Ferrari reviewed in one of his shows, and I got a barbecue chicken sandwich with potato salad. She got grilled cheese. She got Vegemite. He got a chili cheese dog burrito, and he got like some type of, I don't even know. Look how cute all these houses are. They're just so sweet in the middle of the desert. So cute. And then there's a lake line. That's Lake Mead, right? So before we go to the Hoover Dam, we're stopping at Memorial Bridge, which is like, basically it goes across of Arizona too. It's just, we have like a better viewpoint of Hoover Dam. Okay, this is Nevada state line. This is the freeway. And now we're walking on the bridge next to the freeway. Very cool. Without this bridge, LA would probably not be as big. Look, she's in Nevada and I'm in Arizona. I don't know what I'm feeling. Should I go to Arizona or should I go to Nevada? Comment down below which day is better. Arizona or Nevada? Hey guys, we're in the Hoover Dam. It's beautiful. We got into Arizona and now before we leave, because my dad's in the parking lot, we're gonna try, what is it called? Hoover Dam Path Water. This is straight from the Hoover Dam. We're gonna do a taste test. We're gonna try Hoover Dam electrolyte water. Straight from the tap. It's a reusable bottle, that's why it looks weird. That's good water. We are finally in Arizona and we stopped at this little gas station off the freeway. We made it to the Grand Canyon. Look right behind me, the little red stuff. So we just bought tickets and basically the prices were $53 per person for general admission, which means that we're gonna be getting like a bus to 2 different points of the Grand Canyon West. It's called Guano Point and then Eagle Point. Holy, What the? So basically, there is a tribe over, like, far over there, like all the way that last mountain right there, as you can see right there. Behind that, an hour away after that mountain, there's a tribe in Peach Springs. I don't know how to pronounce the tribe name, so here's like an image of that tribe. Like some of the tribal members, 4 days out of the week, they come here to like the Grand Canyon West, and they basically like work here and stuff like that. They commute all together because it's like a 2.5-hour commute, and they work until morning all the way, and they get home at like 8. And so this one guy, he's sitting and he's like talking, he's basically like telling tourists like about his tribal, like where his tribe is, and then also like just like the culture and stuff like that. And now I'm going to show you some new stuff. So basically he was just telling us different like indents in the mountains, and like how like erosion and just like all other natural things basically shape the rock to look like certain things. So basically if you go, I think you zoom in here, these all look like, I guess, like chief faces. And if you go over here, that's them leaving, as you can see. Over here, that's the lying dog. And then over here in this little crevice, there's a bunny. And then over here, there's a side profile of the gorilla. And then there's an alligator head. Hey guys, update. We arrived at the new place, Guano Point, and they're taking a picture right now. This has a lot more of a view. It has like literally every single part. And basically when the sun does set, you'll be able to see it somewhat. So Mom, what do you feel about the Grand Canyon?
It's absolutely stunning. I cannot believe it's real.
I'm at Top Golf and I'm going to do a tutorial on how you win.
This is how not to play Top Golf. This is how not to swing a club, I repeat. Remember, do the opposite of what she does and you will win the game. Shiesty. Right down the gut! Didn't even register.
And now we finally got our food. So first I got my boneless boneless barbecue wings with celery, carrots, ranch, and then we also got sweet potato fries shared with me and my mom, and also ketchup. And then she got the farmhouse flatbread. She got, I don't know what she got.
Anything over there? Oh, you just missed it.
And then he got a barbecue chicken.
No, I didn't barbecue chicken.
I don't know, some type of chicken.
With
and
avocado?
Tater tots, and then chicken strips for the little boy. Let's see him shoot. He's on camera. He's doing this in front of millions. Will he handle the pressure? See how far that went? It shows you a TV, like where the golf bar goes. Woo, 19 points. This is his last hit. We'll see how good he really is. Don't mess up. He really likes playing golf. Okay, let's watch the video. Let's watch the footage. Oh, right into the strip. Damn, man. Hello, welcome to my crib. Come inside. Camera has to be on me, please. So this is the hotel level 14 in the stratosphere.
The Strat.
The Strat, you know. Come here, we have a 2 queen size beds. One for our family friend and then one for me and my mom. where she has to snore, and I have to deal with her snoring all night long. She was snoring last night. Then this is our beautiful view of the tower. It's not that beautiful, but it's okay because at least you can see like the background, like the skyscrapers over there. That's about it though.
Oh.
What do you think of the hotel room?
It was nice. It was beautiful.
Oh, also finally that we're not sleeping in the same room as my dad and my brother. They sweat profusely, so they have to put the AC down to like 60 degrees. But we were able to keep it up to 73 to 75 degrees, which felt nice for a change. And here we have the bathroom. This is a way better bathroom than the last one that I showed you on our first night. It was like literally like a motel, hotel, killer style. Yeah, this is the huge counter space, epic. And then we got a toilet, cool. And then this is the shower. It's really funky because there's no like sliding door. It's just like you walk in and you hope you don't get the floor wet. The ratings for this is like, obviously it was kind of hard to get this room and we were already having troubles. We had like wait a whole day to get this room. So I mean, I guess it's like worth it somewhat. I do like the counter space. The view is okay, you know, it's better than our last view for sure. If I was to go to Las Vegas again, I would want to go to a different hotel just to like experience something new. But you know, the shot's always super cool. I would give this a rating like a 7.9 out of 10. Say bye to the room, everyone. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye to the room. Say bye to the room. Okay, we are having Starbucks. I got a dragon fruit lemonade. We're doing sports bets for NBA games on Thursday, March 31st, 2022. I bet that the 76ers were going to beat the Pistons, Jazz is going to beat the Lakers, and then I said that the 76ers versus Pistons game is going to be under 224 points total game of the game. And then I said Cavs and Hawks, their game is going to go over 225. Oh, he's doing the bets. I'm just giving him a suggestion. We are at the world's largest gift shop. Before we leave, we're stopping at White Castle. And I got just a regular slider with no cheese. It has just a patty and then onions, grilled onions, and then pickles. And then I added ketchup. And I have fries and ketchup.